State Farm Insurance has revealed itself as yet another diabolically degenerate corporation. Never give this company your business. If you're giving it to them now, stop. Don't give these people or other companies like this your business. Even though State Farm has now backed off its support of filling the minds of 5-year-olds with perverse filth, they still must be punished. And the only kind of punishment they understand is that of cash. Deprive them of their cash and shame them. The power of shaming is greatly underestimated today, especially by those who claim to be conservatives. The left understands it. Do you notice how much shaming they do? And do you notice how effective it is? Conservatives, for example, those fake conservatives, how soon they fall in line once shaming from leftist starts. This is because conservatives burn with unquenchable lust for mainstream respectability. And today the mainstream consists of degeneracy, masked as righteous humanitarianism, of course. And the rank liberalism of 50 years ago is now what passes for conservatism. How has the left accomplished this? In large part by shaming so-called conservatives, playing upon their lust for mainstream acceptance. In any event, as I explained in my text here, these are the kinds of small but effective collectively, things that we can do to fight today's diabolical insanity. Do your part. But do you feel out of step with today's world? Good. Rejoice. As Jiddu Krishnamurti said, it is no measure of health to be well adjusted to a profoundly sick society. By embracing the true, the good, and the beautiful, you are at war with the modern world. You are a counter-revolutionary, and thus you are called to the heights. Rejoice! Rejoice!